Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about ADK, Agent Development Kit, which is designed to empower developers to quickly build, manage, evaluate, and deploy AI powered agents. We will be covering history, evolution, and features of ADK. So, the homepage of Google will look like something similar to the slide Agent Development Kit. So it is a flexible, modular framework for developing and deploying AI agents. While optimized for Gemini and Google ecosystem, ADK is model agnostic and deployment agnostic and is built for compatibility with other frameworks. So ADK was designed to make agent development feel more like software development, to make it easier for developers to create, deploy, and orchestrate agentic architectures that range from simple tasks to most complex tasks. Now, so ADK we can summarize as Agent Development Kit of complete framework for building AI agents. It provides tools, libraries, standardized components to create intelligent AI systems. And ADK enables agents to reason, plan, interact with tools, and perform autonomous tasks. It bridges the gap between LLM reasoning and real world execution. It is used for chatbots, automation systems, enterprise workflows, and multi agent systems. The way ADK originated was in the early chatbots before 2023, there were lacked structures, memory, and consistent tool use. The rise of LLMs showed the need for a unified agent building toolkit, and developers needed some standards for tool invocation, memory safety, and context handling. ADK formed to simplify building reliable production grade agents. So during pre 2023, chatbots and early research in tool use and planning, it was used by ADK. And then later on, 2023, agent era begins and models can browse, code, execute tools. In 2024, formal ADK architectures, memory, multi-agent orchestration, guardrails, those were some of the features that started coming into. And 2025 standardizations were done where enterprises adopt ADK for mission critical workflows. If we talk about core features of ADK, we have unified agent interface. So standard way for interacting with LLM agents. We have context engineering, sessions, memory, persona, and retrieval optimization. Tool integration we can do with different kind of integrations with different kind of tools now. It can be API based, database, search, and automation tools. We have multi agent systems where agents can collaborate with roles and communication rules. Agent ops where features are like monitoring, evaluation, analytics, crash recovery, and governance. So these are the some of the features that has been in ADK now. And why ADK matters? It transforms LLMs into actionable, dependable systems. It reduces complexity in building agent workflows. It ensures reliability, safety, and predictability in agent behavior. It enables scalable automation across industries and supports rapid prototyping and enterprise deployment. Some of the some of the features that are still ADK is trying to have is like we're trying to implement and figuring out was autonomous workflow builders, agent creating agents. One agent is itself creating another agent swarms for distributed problem solving, a deeper integration with robotics and IoT systems, predictive memory engines for long-term personalization, agent marketplaces, pluggable skills and capability modules, and then end-to-end deployment pipeline for production-grade agent applications. So these are some of the, you can say, as a roadmap. Those are either ongoing or are about to be implemented or are in pipeline. So if you summarize everything, we can say that ADK is shaping the future of autonomous AI systems. It provides the foundation for scalable, safe, intelligent agents. From history, evolution roadmap, ADK continues to grow rapidly, and the upcoming decade will be dominated by agent-based software. And recently, only on November 7th, 2025, there was an announcement related to user simulation in ADK evaluation. So, at its core, the user simulation is an LLM-powered user prompt generator. This first release is integrated directly into the ADK evaluation framework, allowing you to run it locally. You provide it with a high level goal, and it dynamically generates the user side of a conversation to persuade that goal. It's not a separate service, it's a tool within the ADK that you run locally, allowing for a fast, iterative inner loop workflow. So, there are more explanation about how it works, like defining a conversation scenario with some of the JSON code, a starting prompt, conversation plan, and then about configuring the simulation, where some of the key parameters can be configured: model configuration, turn, budget, the custom behaviors also. And then while running the evaluation, what kind of output it will give. So ADK is actually changing very fast, adding lot of features, and it's really very helpful for the developers. So that's it from ADK. I will soon be having another video where we will go through building our first AI agent with ADK. See you soon. So, like, subscribe, and comment anything on our channel if you like this video. Thank you.